Hey, this is Dancer from Dancer's Collectibles. This week we're going to do a look at the Morgan silver dollars. We're going to take a look at the new ones from 2021, or at least one of the new ones from 2021, and then one from way back in 1896. So without further ado, wow, there they are. So we'll start off with the older one from 1896. As you can see, my original cost on it was about $7.50. Youch, youch, youch. That kind of dates myself. Here it is, Morgan silver dollar from 1896. No mint mark on it, which I'll show on the back there. And because it has no mint mark, it of course means it's from Philadelphia. Again, the original cost is about $7.50 for me. If you go out there to AppMex in about uncirculated condition, they're asking about $53.99 for them. There were 9,967,762 minted in Philadelphia way back when. And this one, as you can see, has made it through all those years in really, really good condition. You can see it was used as part of a keychain, but still in pretty good shape. Then what the U.S. Mint did was they decided to go out there, and as a 100th anniversary, they ran a 2021 Morgan silver dollar San Francisco run, and the total mintage there was 175,000 pieces. The inside box. The inside box. And you get the certificate of authenticity. Flips up. Oh, look at that. Here we go. $1 uncirculated, 99.9% silver, whereas the older ones I think were about 90% silver. Read San Francisco mint mark. This one has a mint mark of S on it. And some coin design, observe, reverse. Of course, the name Morgan dollars for the designer, George Morgan. And there's the front. The coin itself, let's get it out of here. There it is, the 2021. Again, only 175,000 minted out there. Can you tell, has it changed a lot? Let's look at the face on both of them. Great looking pieces. So again, on the right, the 2021 S mint mark. The one on the left, 1896. We'll see if we can get a hold of some of the other 2021s that are out there. Remember to subscribe to the channel. Leave any questions, any comments you have down below. And we look forward to seeing you very soon.